to IMVU Studio, the standalone application for creators that help you to submit your products to the IMVU catalog. Here is the home modal, where you'll find many resources for searching through your own catalog of products. You have a search bar to search by keyword or product ID. You can see all of your products based on if they are a draft, submitted, in peer review, or published. You have these categories over here to easily filter your products as well. And you also have your creator dashboard information, including your credits available, your dev tokens, your creator status, and many links and resources available all here. When you're ready to get started on a product, you can click the Create button here, the File menu here for New or New from CHKN, or you can do that here as well. Additionally, in this menu, you'll find the Preferences tab. This Preferences menu allows you to update some of your default information, including your default submission preferences, as well as shows your application information. A helpful tool is also your ability to change your default room. You can pick any purchased room in your inventory and select it as your default room. Lastly, the Help menu has many helpful tools such as the keyboard shortcuts, a link to the community discussion boards, the feedback, and report a problem link. You can also sign out from the program here. When you go to create a product, you'll have access to the entire derivable catalog at your fingertips. You can use the search bar to find available products or search by a specific product ID, and you can also use the filters on the left to narrow down the category. Find the product you'd like to derive from. You simply click and hit Derive when you're ready. There are many tools in the edit panels of the derivation window, so let's take a look at those now. Starting on the left, we have these top menus, including the Import Assets, where you'll import any assets and images that you need for your product. Next, we have the Visual Aids, and this includes the Minimum Coverage Guideline Pose and the Minimum Coverage Guideline Skin. Next, you have the ability to take a picture of your product, either with the background or without. Lastly, you have the Decorate mode, which allows you to add products into your scene to test with your product. Additionally, in this top menu on the right, you'll find the Preview button, the Save button, and the Submit. Preview is used to periodically update the avatar with your additional asset changes that you've made. Save will save your project as it currently stands, and Submit is used to submit your product to the catalog when you're complete. Back over here on the left, we have two different panels, the Component panel and the Assets panel. The Asset panel will compile all of your additional assets you've added to your project. The Component tab additionally has sub-tabs. The first is the Material slots, the second are the Mesh slots, the Action panel, the Particle panel, the Scalar panel, and the Actor panel. On the right, you'll find the Inspector panel. This is unique to each asset that you have in your product. When you click on different assets, you will see the information update. You can add your diffuse, opacity, normal, and shininess maps. You can affect transparency and other additional settings for that texture. Additionally, we have the Inventory tab, which gives you access to all of your products in your inventory. This allows you to test your product with other products or complete a look in order to get a snapshot. Lastly, we have the Info panel, and this is the information panel about your product. Here you apply a thumbnail, the name, and other details for submitting it to the shop. No matter which panel you're in, we also have the Test Triggers and Actions area down here. This is where you can test IMVU's built-in actions or triggers on your products to make sure that they are working. Additionally, we have the Help menu again. Lastly, at the bottom of the panel, you'll see the Status bar. Here, you'll see any errors or warnings, and if you click on it, it'll expand upon what's causing the error and give you opportunities to review those. Additionally, you'll see your final product size. To learn more about the many features available in IMVU Studio, more detailed information is available in other tutorials within the Creator Education Center.